Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be setting up Matplotlib in VS Code, and as usual you can follow along if you are on Windows, Mac or Linux. I'm on Mac, but I'm going to be telling you how to set up for Windows also. So the first thing we want to do when we want to set up Matplotlib is to create a virtual environment. All right, so you want to create a virtual environment. On Windows you use Python, on Mac you use Python 3. So you say -m, and then you can call, we say VNV, which is virtual environment. Then you can name your virtual environment whatever you like. So I'll just name mine env. All right, so now you see our virtual environment has been created. At least mine has been created. So the next thing we want to do is to activate it so that we can install Matplotlib. So if you're on Windows, instead of bin, you'll see scripts. All right, so for Mac it is bin, not script. Then to activate it, we'll say source. All right, then source, your virtual environments, the name of your virtual environments, I'll say env. Then the next thing, we put a /. On Windows, of course, you use a / bin, and also on Windows you use script, not bin. Then we activate. All right, so now you can see our environment has been activated. Then the next thing we're going to do is to simply install Matplotlib. So I'll do Matplotlib pip install. Yeah. So now Matplotlib is installing. Just wait for a moment. And that's it. So Matplotlib has been installed. Then the next thing we're going to do is to simply create a file and test it out. So I'll create this. I'll just call it app.py. So I already have my program written. I'll just paste it here, Command V. So as you can see, there is no error here, which means Matplotlib was installed correctly. So now we can simply save, and then I'll do Python 3 app.py. So Python, then the name of your file. So when we run it now, we'll wait a little bit. So it will take some moments before our program finally finishes running. So there you have it. There you have it. It has generated the visualization for the data we provided. So that's exactly what we wanted. And now, after displaying the information, then the next thing we want to do is to deactivate. All right, so you can simply do Ctrl+C, or after you do Ctrl+C, then you can deactivate the virtual environment. So you say deactivate. So you see the environment has been deactivated. And that's all for this video. If you enjoyed, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.